fantastic.
They're really nice trains.
I would even go as far as to say sexy. Hey everyone, G loves trains here. You join me at the Merseyrail Kirkdale depot, as today I've been invited down to see the brand new 777 Buzzy Bees and to give this simulator a go. Wish me luck.
Hello everyone, I'm David Powell. I'm the Programme Director for the new fleet of trains for working for Merseytravel.
Yeah, well we're at a bloody station here. It looks an absolute train of dreams. I am so excited. There's going to be a lot of firsts for me today. The predominant one, of course, being my first time on a Class 777. Let's go check out the train.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long.
Upon arrival at Kirkdale TMD and looking stylish in that orange PPE, we were introduced to the 777s.
Better step into the light.
Manufactured by the Swiss Stadler Rail, these EMUs are comprised of 4 carriages, 182 seats and 6 doorways per side. With the open gangway, buttons and dual voltage potential, these trains certainly hold a distinctive design. They are sleek, lustrous and jam-packed with the latest installations. From first impressions, it does kind of remind me of a Manchester Metrolink tram.
Shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art.
There is so much to discover inside, as well as the standard overhead luggage space and wheelchair space. You will find non-squeaky artistic seats with opulent headrest, bum rests, and just for me, plenty of knicker hooks. I am ridiculously surprised actually that there are power sockets and USB ports throughout the train. That is amazing.
You should know that you are perfect with those flaws.
One particular feature Merseytravel are exhilarated to showcase are these screens displaying a reel of slides, one of which is live CCTV footage. Aye, I can check myself out, yeah, so just behave yourself, innit? And now for the all-important question. You're sick of hearing, why is there no toilets?
Well, this is a metro type train in many ways. Our average journey time is around about 18 minutes. You go through the question, do you want a toilet on board? They take up space, they need to be maintained properly. But what we are going to do is we're going to tell people where the toilets are. So if you look behind me here, this is in our wheelchair space. We have a passenger information display. And as well as showing the route information where the train is, we'll also be showing views that show what the facilities are at forthcoming stations. So as you're on your journey, you'll know whether or not there's a toilet at a forthcoming station. So if you're caught short, just hop off.
That is helpful.
And typically...
For people like me,
off.
after we've had a cup of tea.
Yes, quite right.
The 777s contain some of the coolest features I've ever seen, including these ultra-modern bike racks and the all-new sliding steps. Another major upgrade is the Wi-Fi. Yep, Wi-Fi. And yep, even in the scary Merseyrail tunnel. The wonderful Merseyrail drivers have been presented with a capacious cab, and a state-of-the-art simulator has been specially built at the depot for driver training. I was honoured to be offered a crack at it myself. Right, it's simulator time. I've not a bloody clue what I'm doing.
So drivers, what they do is every driver's got their own individual ID, because the trains have got equivalent to something like a black box really in terms of like data recorder. That's a master switch, forward and reverse control, so if you put that into forward, there we go, press the red button there, which is the DRA. Okay, foot on you see the foot pedal there?
Ah.
Yeah, emergency brake, traction, neutral, so when it's in neutral you're coasting or at a stand. So what you're going to do now is with your foot on there is pull the traction controller towards you. There you go.
Ooh.
Yes.
Oh, Cressington. So Merseyrail Station 2 platforms. I've been to that one.
Back to the left. And then the doors.
Georgia, I'm about to press the passenger alarm. You ready?
What's that going to do?
You'll find out. Press it.
Can we get off at Eggleton, please?
Stop! Fabulous. Do you think I'm qualified?
So, maybe a little bit more practice stopping at the platforms.
Yeah, I think Abraham just needs to move forward a bit.
Move Egbert, yeah, that's a good idea.
That's the better idea.
Okay, right, well done. That was an excellent first driving experience. You had,
thank you,
you had a storm, a cow, and Egbert in the wrong place.
Messing about.
And,
That's
and Geoff pushing buttons behind you.
Travelling at a max speed of 75 miles per hour and having a greater acceleration rate than the PEPs, the Class 777 metro trains will look at reducing journey times.
Thank you so much.
Great. Well, thank
Due to the extra length on the current Merseyrail trains, the network has already seen platforms lengthened and signals repositioned. With the capability of running on third rail, battery and overhead wires, there are future plans for the Buzzy Bees to spread their wings beyond just the Merseyrail network. Is there still plans to run the 777s from Ormskirk to Preston?
I'm not saying yes, but I'm also definitely not saying no. So we're just digesting the results of the trials that we've done. And we're looking forward to working out whether we think battery trains give us the ability to extend our network.
Amazing. It would be crazy to see him at Preston though.
It would be quite good fun. I'd quite like to get there as well. Yeah,
What about the Wigan?
yeah, Wigan, yes. So
You're more than welcome to come to the Wigan.
thank you very much. I haven't had a pie for a while. So yes, one of the extensions, the first one we're looking at is beyond Kirby to a place called Headbolt Lane, which is a station we haven't built yet, but that's what we're looking to do.
Oh, nice.
It could then go to Skelmersdale. Again, we'd have to build new infrastructure, but that route obviously carries on, and Wigan is an obvious destination point. The battery pack is more than enough to get us to Wigan and back.
Just be careful as well when you're walking down the aisle. There are like ramps all over the place, and I'm almost tripping up. Squishy baby!
Absolutely fantastic, light, airy, modern, what's not to like? As I just said before, you can see all the way from one end to the other.
Absolutely no super heavy doors in the middle.
No. In fact, they've got everything. They've thought of literally everything.
Literally everything. Just that one thing.
You want to go to the toilet, don't you?
Yep, I need a wee. Honestly, how beautiful do these trains look? So much more modern than 507s, 508s. I cannot wait for these to enter service.
Go ahead and shine, darling, go ahead and shine, my dear.
Merseytravel ordered an initial 52 units, with an additional BEMU making it 53. Us train enthusiasts are buzzing to see them in service, particularly at those Merseyrail only stations with 2 platforms. They have a contemporary design, they are sophisticated, they are dazzling, they are the future. What a blast! A big thank you to David for inviting us along again. First depot tour, I stood on the roof of a train and I loved the simulator experience. Bring on the 777s! The 777 Buzzy Bees. Entering service, hopefully very soon. Thank you very much for watching everyone. Bye-zy-byes!